in a whole nation of over 1 billion bargainers, I am too good. Fantastic. I am considered an expert. My bargaining skills have gotten me 40% off on the actual price of many goods I have accumulated over the years. Be these sturdy sandals that I picked in Podi Bazaar, the shopping haven of my hometown Chennai in India, or this stylish scarf that I am wearing, which I picked in the factory outlet in Bandung, Indonesia. Mr. Toastmasters, fellow Toastmasters and honored guests, today is your lucky day. I am going to teach you my 5 steps to having a successful bargain. The steps are: develop rapport with your salesman, ask for the best price, state a festival and ask for a steep discount, walk away, and finally, comparative pricing. These are not just theory. I'm going to narrate to you how to put these 5 steps to use to make that killer bargain. Step 1, develop rapport with your salesman. A month ago, my husband and I walked into Sleep Train to buy ourselves a mattress. The salesman Tyler approached us and started with his cliched pitch of how we spend 1/3 of our time in the bed. He also introduced to us a couple of mattresses and said, "Feel free to sleep around." We were shocked. After regaining ourselves, we kind of slept around, tested a couple of mattresses. I connected with Tyler and asked him what was the mattress he used in his house and how it was helping him. Along the way, we also got to talking about what his Thanksgiving plans were and what he was planning to give his 5-year-old for Christmas. My husband was pretty annoyed with this conversation that he approached me and said, "You don't have to be best friends forever with this Tyler. We are just here to buy a mattress, you know." My husband has no sense of bargaining. I could see Tyler was enthusiastically nodding to all of my questions, so my skills were working. We picked up the mattress and the base that we liked, so now it was time to negotiate. Time for step 2, ask for the best price. "Okay, Tyler, what's the best price you can give me on this mattress and base?" "It's $2,200. "Come on, Tyler, I'm sure you can do better. What's the best price you can give me on this?" "It's fixed price, ma'am. It's $2,200. Ha ha. He was playing tough. He's probably never met someone like me. So time for step 3. India is a land of festivals. If it is not the Diwali season, it's the Pongal season. If it is not the Pongal season, it's the Dashra season. So is America. There are a number of festivals. So there's the Memorial Day, there is the Labor Day, and the Black Friday, also known as the Martin Luther King Day. So I asked, "Okay, Tyler, since the Labor Day is around the corner, how about you give me a discount for that? This mattress is not on the Labor Day sale. I'm sure you can give me a discount for Labor Day. How about we make it $1,500? If you want a mattress of a lower price, how about you pick this one?" He's being a tough negotiator. He's trying to sell me an inferior product in the name of a discount? No way. This needs drastic actions. So step 4, walk away. In India, if the salesman is not budging to the bargain, you simply walk away. "Okay, Tyler, it's $1,500. If you're not going to lower the price, we'll just have to take our business elsewhere." "Okay, just remember the price guarantee. Have a good day." Ha! I could see he was hanging on the ropes. My strategy was working. I just need to give him some time to miss me so that he can crack down. I summoned my husband, who was probably in some corner of the store, because he, I think, didn't want to be associated with me. So I summoned him and we walked out of the store. time for step 5, comparative shopping. So we both pulled our trusted phones out and started searching for the mattress price online. It was now a war between Google and Bing. And of course, Google won. I won. I could find a mattress for $1,400 in Sears. So we re-entered Sleep Train. Hey, Tyler. Hello. I could see Sears is offering the same mattress for $1,400. Let me take a look. Sure, I can beat that price by 5%. Finally. I nailed the mattress for less than $1,400. Who do you think he can bargain against an expert like me? So you too can use these skills to do the bargaining of your choice. Remember the 5 skills. Build rapport with the salesman. Ask for the best price. Stay at a festival and ask for a steep discount. Don't worry, just walk away. Research and come back with comparative pricing. Go ahead, you're all now ready to go and do the bargaining of your life. As of me, now that I'm an expert bargainer, I'm probably going to bargain with the lady out there for my weekly groceries. Mr. Toastmaster.